Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring a useful topic, how to ask for facts using Bing Chat. So, let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to bing.com. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign in using your Microsoft Edge account. As we start, let's just type, "Tell me about Cristiano Ronaldo." Watch as Bing Chat works its magic and provides you with instant results. You will see a wealth of information including his career achievements, stats, personal life, and much more. The impressive ability of Bing Chat to generate detailed written content is showcased in a demonstration where we ask it to provide facts on Cristiano Ronaldo. As you can see, Bing Chat's response presents factual information, complete with references, and so on. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. Stay tuned for more. Until next time.